My name's Brandon, and I'm here to show you a couple of the things that make us unique.
Like our pools, our friendly team, and our local attractions. Come on, let's go take a look.
Thanks for booking a stay with us. While you're here, we have several great amenities for you to enjoy. Take a splash year-round in our heated pool, located right up front near our plaza. Our splash pad is located adjacent to our main pool. It's a great way for the kids to splash around. They can enjoy the mushroom and the shallow decks while the parents cool down as well. Head over to one of our hot tubs. They're a great way to unwind at the end of the day.
If it's a little too hot, maybe a little too rainy, come on into the game room and let's have some fun.
You can step into the fitness center.
Even if you're bad at basketball like I am, there's still plenty to do here. Like playing sand volleyball, playing on the playground, going to the gem mining station to find some stones.
You could head over to the basketball courts, take a walk around the property on our walking trails. Our local area is loaded with attractions, whether it's stepping into the local children's museum or heading over to Schlitterbahn, which is one of the world's top-rated water parks. You could also head out to the natural caverns. Adjacent to that is a safari drive-through. So you can actually drive through that and feed the animals directly out of your car. And if that's not enough for you, you can head down to one of the 2 rivers here in town and go for a float, and then cap your day off downtown on one of our great restaurants. If you'd like to learn more about our local attractions and things to do, come on into the office. You can pick up a pamphlet or talk to one of our team members for recommendations.
The team here at the resort is always eager to help. Look for one of us in the Sun Outdoor shirts and we'll be glad to assist you.
We hope you all enjoy your stay.
And we look forward to bringing out your sunnier side.